Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Why you are constantly hungry, 6 reasons for uncontrollable hunger, health problems. Hunger is a completely normal feeling, especially if you haven't eaten for a long time or after exhausting physical work. But sometimes the urge to eat arises shortly after eating. This can lead to overeating, discomfort, and weight gain. In addition, constant hunger can be a sign of health problems, so it cannot be ignored. What health problems can cause persistent cravings for food? Obesity. Overeating leads to excess weight. When there is too much adipose tissue in the body, it begins to act as an additional hormone-releasing endocrine organ. These hormones affect your metabolism, making your brain think you are hungry. After eating, hunger hormone levels remain high, while satiety hormones remain low. This imbalance puts overweight people in a vicious cycle of constant hunger. Depression. Depression can be one of the causes of constant hunger. Nutrition is the mechanism by which the body tries to cope with depression. Through food, we can receive nutrients that are involved in the synthesis of serotonin, which improves mood. One of these substances is tryptophan. Our body knows this and tries to force us to constantly eat in order to get those substances that will help it cope with depression. Diabetes. Type 1 and Type 2 diabetes interferes with the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. Blood sugar levels affect hunger as well as insulin levels. When they are high, you feel hungry, which makes you overeat. Increased thyroid function. Hyperthyroidism is a disorder of the thyroid gland that speeds up the metabolism. People suffering from it often lose weight, get nervous, sweat profusely. The accelerated metabolism causes constant hunger in people with increased thyroid function that is difficult to satisfy. Stress. Stress causes a range of health and emotional problems. Stress hormones, one of which is cortisol, also causes constant hunger. High cortisol levels convince the body that it needs more calories, which leads to overeating and weight gain. Cortisol constantly tricks the brain that you can't get enough of. It's worth noting that a constant urge to sleep can also indicate health problems. Experts say there are 6 main causes of daytime fatigue. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.